How you ladies and gentlemen doing today? Today we are here to do an unveiling and a new unboxing of my new watch collection. We have a brand new Rolex that I acquired. And we're gonna go ahead and reveal exactly what it is. Let's flip to that. Let me know if you are interested in the 124060 reference number. And today we're gonna go ahead and reveal the Submariner. And I said Submariner because this is the actual true Submariner, actually known as the Submariner No Date. Today we're gonna go over exactly why I think this is the best option for anyone to put in their collection, whether you're a watch enthusiast or you're looking just for that one watch for everyday wear. Okay. We do have the easy glide lock. So this thing actually is perfect for anybody in any situation. You just pull down, you can easily adjust it. Okay. That's the first thing. But stainless steel, 41 millimeter. They actually updated this to where it actually has the thinner look on the wrist, but it also gives you that symmetrical, actual perfect dial. All black, ceramic, bezel, everything is just, to me, it's perfect on this watch. With the stainless steel brush, it gives you a full finish of a nice, elegant watch, but also a watch that you can wear and just have it on. A lot of people will know what it is, but they may not know exactly what it is unless you're a watch enthusiast. Okay. Not only did Rolex think about the elegant side of this watch, but they made sure that when they designed it, they made sure that it was well built and well put together. All right. So I'm going to close this up here, but I'm going to also show you the bezel. And the bezel to me is one of the best things that they did because it's unidirectional, but a lot of people say, why would they do that? It was a purpose behind it. It actually gave Rolex the option of having the most reliable watch when you're diving, because you don't want to have this to be able to move back and forth, and you need this to keep the exact time of when you're underwater and you need to go back up to surface. So Rolex, like I said, they designed a watch that was not only elegant, but a tool watch that grew into a luxury watch. All right, we're gonna go over even more close details of why I like this watch, and we're gonna break everything down. Stay tuned.